Hello, I present to you towards a generic framework for mechanism-guided deep learning for manufacturing applications. Data analytics in manufacturing often rely on mechanism models or MMs, which are mathematical formulas that describe certain physical or chemical processes underlying the manufacturing tasks. MMs have high interpretability and are generally robust against small training data, yet they are often unable to cope with more complex real-world data and can be hard to fine-tune their model parameters. To address these issues, researchers are now proposing mechanism-guided deep learning models, or MDRMs, which use deep learning to enhance MMs. However, the existing MDRMs are often specific to certain tasks or types of MMs and suffer from multiple limitations. Addressing these limitations, we present a generic task-agnostic MDRM framework which consists of a single mechanism-guided deep learning model, or SMDRM, that entails a single mechanism model as its core, a deep perimeter identification module with awareness high-level data examples, and a deep error correction module with data adaptivity and error bounding. We then extend the SMDRM to a multi-mechanism guided deep learning model with an attention-based mechanism model ensemble to support multiple MMs. It also comes with a simple yet effective penalty term in its loss function to guard against suboptimal parameters. Extensive experiments on two diverse use cases show that our framework can significantly outperform both existing mechanism models and data-driven rival methods. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you at KDD 2023.